Ever found yourself staring at a problem, completely stuck, like you're trying to solve a Rubik's Cube in the dark? What if I told you there's a powerful framework that can light up the path? Something the pros use to tackle complex challenges. It's called BODMAS, and today, we're going to break it down so you can start using it right away. So, what in the world is BODMAS? It's an acronym that stands for Boundary, Objective, User, Method, Action, and Solution. Think of it as your personal GPS for problem solving. It's not about finding just any answer, it's about finding the right answer. Efficiently and effectively. Let's get into the first step, B for boundary. Before you jump into solving anything, you need to know the rules of the game. What are your constraints? This could be time, budget, resources, or even specific company policies. For example, let's say your task is to improve team communication. Your boundary might be a $0 budget and a 1-week deadline. Defining this from the start prevents you from wasting time on ideas that are impossible to implement. So, first things first, draw your lines in the sand. What can you do and what can't you? Next up is O for objective. What are you actually trying to achieve? And I mean, what asterisk really asterisk? Improve team communication is a bit vague. A better objective would be reduce the number of project update emails by 50% by implementing a new instant messaging channel. See the difference? A great objective is specific, measurable, and has a clear success metric without a clear target. You're just shooting arrows into the void. So, define your bullseye. Now for the most important letter, in my opinion, U for user. Who are you solving this problem for? Every problem has a user, whether it's your customer, your colleague, or even yourself. You need to get inside their head. What are their pain points? What do they need? Using our communication example, the users are your team members. Maybe they hate emails because they're slow and get lost. Or perhaps they feel disconnected working remotely. Talk to them. Empathy is your superpower here. Understanding the user is the key to creating a solution they'll actually love and use. With the what, why, and who sorted, we move to M for method. This is the how part. How will you approach finding a solution? This is where you brainstorm. Will you use a survey to gather more data from your team? Maybe you'll hold a workshop to generate ideas. Or perhaps you'll research different communication tools. Your method is your plan of attack. For our team example, a good method could be to trial to different messaging apps for a week and gather feedback. Then comes a for action. It's time to stop planning and start doing. Based on your method, what are the concrete steps you're going to take? Create a to-do list. Assign tasks. Set mini deadlines. Action turns your ideas into reality. So, if your method is to test 2 apps, your actions would be 1. Research and select 2 apps. 2. Set up accounts for the team. 3. Explain how the trial will work. 4. Create a feedback form. It's all about momentum. Finally, we arrive at S for solution. After taking action, you'll have results. Now, you analyze them to craft the final solution. Did one app perform way better than the other? Did the team's feedback reveal a surprising new insight? The solution isn't just the final choice, it's the whole package. It's the new app, plus the guidelines for using it, and a plan for rolling it out to everyone. The solution is the culmination of all your hard work, guided by the BODMAS framework. So, there you have it. Boundary, objective, user, method, action, solution. BODMAS. It's a simple, yet incredibly powerful way to structure your thinking and turn chaos into clarity. The next time you're faced with a tricky problem, don't just dive in. Take a step back. and walk through the BODMAS steps. You'll be amazed at how much smoother the process becomes. Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, give this video a thumbs up and hit that subscribe button for more content to help you work smarter, not harder. See you in the next one.